In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have higher quality video and FaceTime using the Allow More Data on 5G feature. So if you're looking to enhance your video streaming and call quality on your mobile device, you've come to the right place. This process is straightforward, but making sure you get each step right can really improve your experience. Let's get started by first unlocking your phone and opening up your settings app. It's that little gear icon usually found on your home screen. From there, the next step is to tap on cellular. This section of your settings is where we can make adjustments related to your mobile network. Once you're in the cellular menu, navigate towards cellular data options. You'll then need to select voice and data. This might look a little different depending on your device model or software version, but what's important is that you find the section where you can manage your network settings. Now the crucial part, you'll see options for network settings, including 5G. Here you'll want to select either 5G Auto or 5G On. But what's the difference between these two options? Well, choosing 5G Auto allows your device to smartly switch between 4G and 5G networks based on what's available and what will conserve battery life. Meanwhile, selecting 5G On will keep your device connected to a 5G network whenever it's available, which can give you that higher data speed consistently. However, there's an important note to keep in mind. Not all carriers currently support 5G, and not all of them have implemented the Allow More Data feature. So it's essential to make sure that your mobile plan does include 5G service if you want this to work. If you're unsure, a quick call to your service provider can clarify this. Once you've set your preference to either 5G Auto or 5G On, you should be all set. Just these simple steps allow your phone to use more data on 5G networks, directly enhancing the quality of your videos and FaceTime calls. Great news for those who value crystal clear streaming and communication. So there you have it. A straightforward guide to optimizing your video quality using the Allow More Data on 5G feature. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your improved video and FaceTime experiences.